Do you want to clear out unnecessary WhatsApp data on your iPhone 8 Plus? Hey everybody, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove unnecessary data on WhatsApp on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To do that, go to Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage, scroll down, tap WhatsApp, now tap Offload app. Don't worry, this is not going to delete any of your data. Now tap Offload again. Tap Reinstall, or you can open WhatsApp, tap Settings, tap Storage and Data, tap Manage Storage. Now you can also clear some cache data from here. So this is how you can offload or clear unwanted data on your WhatsApp. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.